This is an overview of Shakespearean sonnets. We will learn about two features of structure and read a model together. First, let's investigate form. There are 4 stanzas. Each of the first 3 stanzas is comprised of 4 lines, and the 4th is a 2-line heroic couplet. So I see my first stanza is the red box, my second stanza is the blue box, my third stanza is green, and my fourth is yellow. The first 3 stanzas, 1, 2, 3, red, blue, and green, have 4 lines each. My fourth stanza, yellow, has 2 lines. So a Shakespearean sonnet has 14 lines always. Within the first 3 stanzas, every other ending word rhymes. A and A, lines 1 and 3, B and B, lines 2 and 4, ending words rhyme, for example. The form follows suit for stanza 2 and stanza 3. Consider these stanzas like paragraphs for poetry. The heroic couplet, stanza 4, which is 2 lines, both of those ending words rhyme as well. Let's look now at iambic pentameter, which is the structure of each line within the stanza. Iambic pentameter is 5 feet. So look at the graphic right in the middle of our image here. We see 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. These 5 feet each have 2 syllables within, so every line of Shakespearean sonnet that's iambic pentameter has 10 syllables. Each foot has a stressed and unstressed syllable, and so we see a really distinct flow or pattern. Let's look at each foot. This is how the line of poetry reads. But soft what light through yonder window breaks. Let's investigate one of these feet a little bit closer. But soft what light. We see 2 syllables. First is unstressed, second is stressed. So I'm going to use yellow, but soft what light. It's a softer sound and then a harder sound. So each foot with 2 syllables creates this flow or a pattern that sounds like a song or almost like a heartbeat. But soft, what light through yonder window breaks. Unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed. 5 of those unstressed, stressed couples equals 5 feet, 10 syllables within 1 line of Shakespearean sonnet. Let's put both the form and the structure of the sentences or the lines of iambic pentameter together and read our model. All the way on the very far left, let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love which alters when its alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. Oh no, it is an ever fixed mark that looks on tempests and is never shaken. It is the star to every wandering bark, whose worth's unknown although his height be taken. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks within his bending sickle's compass come. Love alters not with his brief hours and weeks, but bears it out even to the edge of doom. If this be error and upon me proved, I'll never writ, nor no man ever loved. There are 4 stanzas. Let's have a closer look at stanza 1. There are 4 lines within stanza 1. We'll mark them. Every other ending word rhymes. So we have A, B, A, be rhyme scheme. Minds, finds, love, remove. You kind of have to work with that one a little bit. Then let's look at the feet. Let me, not to, the marriage of true minds. We have unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, unstressed, stressed, and last one, unstressed, stressed. 10 syllables with that flow of unstressed, stressed, kind of creating that heartbeat sound. And that concludes our review of the Shakespearean sonnet. Thank you.